Hi there, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning to our channel, do well to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. God bless you. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can boost the growth of your snails. Normally, for livestock, everybody needs growth. You want your snails to grow faster, and a lot of persons have been making complaint that our snails are not growing. So that's why I decided to make this video so that you will learn how to boost the growth of your snails. So if this is your first time, do well to subscribe because we're going to be speaking on this topic in a series. So subscribe so that when we drop new videos, you will be informed. Now, let's go to the topic: how to make your snails to grow faster. One thing you need to know about livestock is that livestock is just like human being. Anything that has to do with animal is just like human being. So the way you take care of yourself, that's how you're supposed to take care of your livestock, of your animals. If you want them to give you the best in growth and the best in production, so you must take care of them very well. Then how do you take care of snails for them to produce for you, for them to grow well for you? Number one thing you have to do is to feed them very well. You have to feed them with the right food that they need. Every animal has their own food that make them to grow faster. For snails, normally they are vegetarians. They live basically on fruit and vegetables. So you must also identify the type of vegetable they eat. Understand? That is another one. Then to boosting their growth, you can also give them feed. We have feed for snails, also have vegetables that snails eat. So you must learn to feed them very well. Normally snails can eat pawpaw, watermelon, cucumber, cabbage. These are things that they eat, and they are more active in the night. So if you want to feed your snails, you feed them in the night hours around that kind 8 p.m. 7 p.m. That is the best time they are active. So you feed them that time, they will eat very well. So you have to feed them very well if you want them to grow. Another one you have to do is do not overcrowd them in one pen. Most people will just buy plenty snails. Some can even buy up to 300 snails and just pack all of them and put in one pen. I've witnessed that type of thing. When somebody just did a very big pen, buy 300 snails, and the snails were dying and the growth rate was also low. When I went there, I saw that they were very crowded. So it will reduce their growth like human being. Let's say if you put human being together, just like gumming people together, you understand that you cause a lot of harm to them. So you must learn to keep them space. They need space. Understand? Do not overcrowd them, because if you overcrowd them, the growth rate will be reduced and they will turn to carnivorous animals. Understand? They will be eating themselves. The thing you need to put in place is you need to give them calcium. Snails need calcium for their shell development. As the shell is growing, the snail is growing. So you have to give them enough calcium. And sources of calcium are oyster shell, bone meal, fish meal, eggshell. These are sources of calcium. So you need to give them calcium to boost their shell. As their shell is growing, the snail is growing. For commercial based snail farm, you need to build greenhouse. You can have pen but also have greenhouse, so that the juvenile, you can introduce the juvenile to the greenhouse. You understand? So the greenhouse is basically made for fattening. The greenhouse help the snails to fattening because natural rain will be falling there. You plant crops that the snail will eat, and you also reduce cost of your feeding them. Understand? So the vegetation you are going to plant there, they'll be having access to eat always. Anytime they are hungry, they'll be eating always, and the growth rate will be that fast. You understand? So the growth rate will fast when you put all these things I've said in place. So thank you very much. So subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever we upload content like this, useful content like this, you'll be notified. Thank you very much. And remember, humble self, Tabo Brave, Mambowe, do it to share this video to someone that intend to invest in snail farming. And we advise you viewing it to invest in snail farming, because from analysis now, time will come that snails will be very scarce, even currently now, because in London and Europe and other places, they are demanding snails. mostly this African snail, what we have, because we Nigerians, we have one of the best species of snails that grow big. So invest on snails so that you also in future can become a millionaire in snail farming. God bless you. Bye. Before you go, I said something about different fruits that snails eat and vegetables, and one of the good fruits you can plant around your compound or inside your pen is water leaf. This is water leaf. You can plant water leaf. This thing grows very fast. Snails love it. It can boost their growth. Then for the feed, you can get the feed from us. We formulate feed that is rich in calcium, rich in protein, because snail needs protein to grow. So do well to subscribe once more. Bye. God bless you.